So far, there are no reported, the operative word there is reported cases in the U.S.
2 people have tested positive in Canada. They recently returned from a trip to Nigeria, but doctors say it's only a matter of time before the variant reaches the United States.
Inevitably, it will be here. The question is, will we be prepared for it? And the preparation that we have ongoing for what we're doing now with the Delta variant just needs to be revved up. And that's the bottom line of that, is the preparation by getting more and more people vaccinated and getting the fully vaccinated boosted. That's what we can be doing.
Right now, about 60 million American adults are still not vaccinated. The World Health Organization says the variant poses a very high risk and is more contagious and better at limiting the effectiveness of current vaccines. Now, some vaccine makers are already getting a head start on the fight against this new variant.
Mel joins us now. Mel.
Hey, good morning, guys, again. So Moderna's chief medical officer says the company could roll out a reformulated vaccine against the Omicron variant early next year, but it's still not clear if one will be needed or if current vaccinations will provide protection.
Prepare for the worst.
We don't know that much yet.
Clearly more questions than answers at this point.
Questions about the COVID-19 variant Omicron, first identified in South Africa and declared a variant of concern by the World Health Organization Friday, as health experts around the world scramble to learn more about the variant.
We're hearing conflicting stories, some saying it's causing mild illness, others saying that there are some severe cases in hospitals in South Africa.
We don't know yet as to whether this is more contagious than the Delta variant. Is it more deadly? We don't know. And we also don't know what is the level of protection that our existing vaccines offer against this new variant.
I think our vaccines will hold up. The question is, how much of a hit to their effectiveness will it take? We don't know.
At the White House Sunday, the president met with his COVID-19 response team, where Dr. Anthony Fauci said it would be about 2 more weeks to have more definitive information on the transmissibility, severity, and other characteristics of this variant. In the meantime, experts say we need to be proactive with vaccinations and boosters.
We've made so much progress when it comes to COVID. It would be really devastating if we let it go at this point.
Now, the president is expected to speak about this on around noon. You can watch that live on news4jax.com. We'll make sure we keep you updated during the noon show as well.